Hello viewers and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Now today's video is just a quick one on 10 common phrases in Luo that are used everywhere, especially in social media. So this will help you just communicate with your friends and say the right thing at the right time. Number 1, Jaber. Jaber. Now Jaber initially means beautiful one, beautiful one. So bear is good or beautiful. So Jaber is if the youth, mostly it's, the youth use it to call on the girls. When they want to call them, they say Jaber, Jaber. Now you've learned. 2, in Kanye. In Kanye. And this is how it's done. You say, maybe you pick a phone and then say, in Kanye. In Kanye. In Kanye means, where are you? Where are you? And mostly it's about people who know each other well. So, and maybe they agreed on meeting at a place, but one of them came early and then found that the other one was not there. So they just pick the phone and then, in Kanye. In Kanye. And the response, the correct response would be Anka. I'm right here. Anka. 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 Number 3, Wache. Wache. So someone comes in and you're like, Wache. Wache. So Wache means, what do you say? Or how is it? Wache. Tell me. Tell me. Wache. So that's how it flows. Now these are just short phrases that they have a lot of meaning, but these are the current meanings on social media. OMeara. OMeara. Now OMeara, initial meaning is my brother. OMeara is my brother. So if I want to tell you this is my brother, I would say Ma and OMeara. But OMeara for social media is like buddy. Hey, buddy. You know? So you get someone and you want to, maybe you want to call on someone, you will be like, OMeara, come. OMeara, be. So that might not be your brother, but you know, social media. Jatelo. Jatelo. Jatelo is a leader. A leader. Member of parliament, member of county assembly, district representative. All these people are called Jatelo. So if you don't want to call their name, just call them Jatelo. And then give them your problem or give them your solution. So you just say Jatelo. Jatelo. Alright? Another person who's called Jatelo. In a house, the sons or the daughters may call the father Jatelo. He's the leader of the house. They'll be like, Jatelo. Especially if they want favors from their father or their mother. Tora. Tora. Tora is a form of, this initially means a person who comes from the same area as you, like you come from the same home area. For example, if you come from Kisumu, all of you come from Kisumu, so you'd say, this is my Tora. This is my Tora, you know. Tora is someone who comes from where you're coming from. So when you hear someone say Tora, it means that they have a background of similar places where they come from. Pooja. Pooja. This one has exploded in social media. Pooja, initial meaning of Pooja is a guard. You know, a guard or a guard, where it's used. Luos used it for breakfast, for putting in, like how do you call nyuka? Porridge. they used to put porridge in a gourd. But now, the social media meaning is idiot. So if someone says, types in pooja in your group, then he's calling you idiot. Yaye. Yaye. And I don't know exactly what yaye means, or I don't know how to translate yaye, but I'll give a context. Let's say you have a dog, and the dog is, your neighbor is coming to your house, and your dog kind of wants to bite your neighbor. So the phrase you'd use on the dog would be, yaye. Or, I don't know whether that would mean stop it, but yaye does not mean stop it. Let's say you have a child, and the child is taking some tea, and you notice that he's putting in too much sugar in the tea. You would be like, yaye, you know, yaye. So it's cautioning somebody or cautioning someone. Yaye. Yaye. Like that. Aworo. Aworo. Aworo means I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Aworo. So you'd be like, aworo. I'm really surprised. And the last one. Now, if you've not noticed any of them, you don't understand any of them, this is the only one you should understand. Erokamano. Erokamano. And erokamano means thank you. Erokamano. So every time, Luos are very humble people, and when you give them something, they will say thank you. They will say erokamano. So when you hear someone say erokamano, it means thank you. Good. So those are the 10 common words currently trending in social media. If you love this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to our channel for more of such. And our next video, of course, will be our learning sessions where we are with my daughter talking about common sentences. And this time we're going to talk about it's a surprise. Just hang in there. Peace.